I know life is super busy, but I am on a mission to show you that you don't have to sacrifice your health just because of your busy lifestyle. I created this easy kale and white bean salad last week when I was looking for a low calorie but tasty vegan lunch idea, and now I literally can't stop eating it. I know it's easier to get takeout or drive through, but often that is not healthy and it's also expensive. This recipe can be whipped up in like 15 minutes, and you can even make it so it'll last you throughout the week. Welcome to Kat's Vegan Kitchen. Let's get started. We're gonna start by rinsing 1 can of Great Northern beans really well. Once the beans are rinsed, squeeze the juice of 1 lemon over them. This is going to give a bright and tangy flavor. Next, I'm going to add in about 1 teaspoon of a nice quality olive oil. For herbs, we're going to add in about 1/4 cup of fresh basil and about a tablespoon of fresh oregano. One of my tricks to speed up cooking is to cut my herbs with a kitchen scissors. It makes it a little bit faster than chopping. If you would rather use dried herbs, just check my full written recipe and I'll give you the adjustments for that. You can always find the full written recipe in the description. Oregano is a very strong herb, so maybe start with a little bit less if you're not used to fresh oregano. Fresh herbs really add delicious flavor to your recipes, and you can grow them even if you only have a balcony or a window box. Give your herbs and beans a quick mix, and I love to add in just a dash of garlic salt. I love to give a shout out to quality products, and this Syracuse Salt Company garlic salt is really good. It was a gift from a friend. I'll try to find a link and link it in the description below if I can find one. Now we're gonna set our beans off to the side. We're gonna keep them separate while we make up the rest of our salad. Next, we're gonna take about 4 leaves of kale. Notice how I just strip mine with my hands. I don't cut them, it saves me time. We're gonna wash them really good, strip them, and then we're gonna give our kale a massage. Before I massage my kale, I'm gonna tear it up into bite-sized pieces with my hands. Again, this is a little bit faster than chopping. I like my pieces to be bite-sized, about that size. Drizzle our kale with just a teeny tiny bit of olive oil, about a 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon. Hit it with a dash of smoked salt or garlic salt. And now we're going to massage our kale. Massaging the kale is a really important step. It helps to soften it, it makes it taste better, and it makes it easier for your body to get all those nutrients out of the kale. Kale is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, and if you think you don't like it, it might just be because you haven't had it prepared quite right. I'm going to massage my kale for just about 1 minute. I'm gonna chop up about 1/4 cup of fresh tomatoes. I am making a single serving of this salad today because it's so quick and easy, but if you want to even save more time, you can chop up extra vegetables so you have them on hand for when you want to put the salad together later in the week. For creamy texture, I'm going to add about 1/2 of a ripe avocado. I mentioned this is a low-calorie food. If you're following a Weight Watchers diet plan, this whole salad only has about 2 points per serving. Pro tip, if you're new to the world of avocados, the way you tell if they're ripe is you want the color to be dark. You don't want it to be a bright green. And you gently press the bottom, and if your thumb goes in a little, it's going to be a ripe avocado. Don't go through the supermarket pressing all the avocados and bruising them. That's annoying. Just gently touch it. If it's soft, it's just about ready. Time to put it all together. We're gonna lay down a bed of our beautiful nutrient-dense massaged kale, a handful of vitamin C rich and lycopene rich tomatoes, and about 1/2 cup of our bean mixture. That's gonna be our protein in the salad. We're gonna top it with fresh avocado, which is going to add healthy fats and give it the most delicious creamy flavor. Top with either pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds. That's going to add in extra protein and a nice crunch. Notice I keep my beans separate in their marinade. I'm gonna cover them and put those in the fridge, and I have enough for 2 more days of this quick healthy salad. The last thing I like to add to my salad is about a tablespoon of nutritional yeast or my homemade vegan Parmesan cheese. I'll link that up in the corner. If you add a tablespoon of this stuff, it adds about 5 grams of protein. So with the nuts and the beans and the nutritional yeast, it's about a 15 gram of protein salad. This quick, healthy, and easy white bean and kale salad took me only 15 minutes, making it perfect for a plant-based diet or anyone looking to eat a little bit healthier. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time on Kat's Vegan Kitchen.